Continuing with the Capital 10X interview series, we're pleased to be joined by Dean Hanisch, CEO of Stria Lithium, for some updates on the developments with his company. Hey Dean, it's great to have you join us. So Dean, can you tell us more about the recently acquired mineral properties in Quebec and their proximity to the Pontax project?
Yes, we were very fortunate. I mean, it's getting more and more difficult to find good projects in Quebec or anywhere with lithium. So we were looking as part of our strategy to get something close to Pontax so that we could kind of leverage our existing geologists, expertise and knowledge. And we grabbed a project that we actually crossed when we built the Winter Road. So it's about 34 kilometers away from the existing Pontax project. It doubles the size of what we have today. And it gives us another opportunity to keep exploring in the area. And it looks highly prospective on the same Chambois greenstone belt. So we're right on strike. We're close by. And that's part of our strategy. We didn't want to go too far away and have to split up our people and our expertise.
How do these acquisitions fit into Stria Lithium's overall growth strategy?
So what we're looking to do, I mean, we really believe in this Quebec lithium triangle. So we're excited about this area and we're excited for ourselves. But if you look at all the other players there, I mean, you've got, Brunswick Exploration's there, Patriot Battery Metals is there, like everybody is in this area. And I think what's important is you really need to have projects that you can find different deposits within your actual project if it's large enough, and you may have a number of different deposits on the same property. They may be 10 kilometer ways, 5 kilometers away, but together with all the partners, I think it's important to keep finding it. And I think we're going to continue to build on that and build on the success of our neighbors, because at some point someone larger will come in and take the whole thing out if everybody has found what they've been finding. And so far the area has been hot.
With the growing demand for lithium, how does Stria plan to leverage their additional properties, looking at the potential for their region in Canada?
So I think the big thing with us is that, again, we really believe in this area. We're close to the highway. Any mineral deposits that we find and any type of deposits that can go into production, we're close and we're going to be able to put those into production a lot quicker, right? If you're far away in 800 kilometers into the bush, I mean, it's obviously very difficult. The infrastructure is coming to this area, the government's putting it in. But what we have today is anything that we find or any of our neighbors find will be a lot easier and a lot lower capex to get it out. So I think that, first come, first serve. So whoever can, we just plan on continuing to explore this area, continuing to find deposits. We have a large enough space. I mean, we just picked up 5,000 hectares and on strike. There's lots of, exploration potential there. And we plan on just continuing to find these little deposits, hopefully, and get them up and running and get it to the market as soon as possible.
So looking forward, Dean, what are the upcoming catalysts that investors can look forward to in the coming quarters?
Well, I think the first one is Cygnus, who is our joint venture partner on Pontax One Central, have stated that they plan on putting out all the press releases for the holes that were drilled, and they're saying that they think they'll have a maiden resource sometime in the summer. They had said June. So that's one thing that I think is pretty exciting for us as well. Secondly, I think what you'll find is on this new property that we have some experience with, we're going to go out and really do some testing. They can expect to see some grab sample assays to look for signatures for spodumene and lithium. And then we're going to aggressively go out and drill it. Again, we have a very tight structure. We have 25 million shares outstanding. We have 3 million in the bank. We're getting another 2 million from Cygnus. So, I think that what they can expect is that you're going to be healthy exploration program onto this new project.